Hey guys, Captain Rob from North Fork Adventures Charters. We had a great day fishing today. You'll see it earlier in the video, but I did catch some porgies, and porgy is a very misunderstood fish. A lot of complaints that it's bony, but it's got a really nice white meat, and if you cut out the center bone, you can do a lot with a porgy. One of my favorite things to do with porgy is ceviche. So that's what we're going to do today. We've got all the pieces for a simple ceviche here. We've got porgy, little onion, garlic, cilantro, a little salt and pepper, and some lime juice. Ceviche cooks in the lime juice, so we're not cooking the fish, but it will be cooked. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to prep all our vegetables here. So little garlic, smash some garlic. Chop it up real nice. I've got 3 cloves. I like to smash it first. So chopping our garlic. Smash again. And by smashing the garlic, we're getting a lot of the flavor out of it. And we want to chop it pretty tiny. Okay. And we're going to use, always for ceviche, you're going to use a glass bowl, non-reactive. If you use a metal bowl, it's going to taste like metal. And that's what we don't want. So we got a little garlic in there. Now we're going to do some onion. Not much, just a little, diced pretty fine. That should probably be enough for what we have. Put that in the bowl. Okay, so we got our onion. One got away. Don't worry. The cat will eat it. Put that aside. And wipe it down a little. Okay, now the fish. Remember, when you have fresh fish, the worst thing you can do is use fresh water. It's just going to make it mushy. So what we do with our fish, we wash it in salt water at the dock when we clean it, and then when we get it home, we pat everything dry. And you want to always use dry fish before you season it, before you do anything with it. So I've got these 4 fillets, and I've taken out a bit of the center bone, but I'm going to take out the rest of it. And we're going to make small little pieces for our ceviche. There's a bone in there. So we're not going to use that piece. Got our second fish, and we're going to go through this with all 4 fillets. These are some nice big springtime porgies. You're going to like this. It's refreshing, makes a great appetizer. And when you tell people it's porgy, they're going to be shocked. I've been doing this for years. And people are still amazed when I serve them porgy. They complain they don't like it, and they always come back for more. Going to give a little shout out to my lovely wife Wendy, who's doing all our camera work here. You've seen her in my videos. mostly on the boat, but I pressed her into service tonight. She's doing a great job. Okay, that's all bones. And everything there. Mix it up a little. Okay. And the other things I love, cilantro. I'm going to take a bit of cilantro over here. Chop it up real good. I'm nowhere near as good as those chefs on TV, so don't try to compare me to them. I'm a charter captain that likes to cook, not a chef that likes to fish. Okay, so we've got our cilantro in there, a little salt and pepper. Okay, and we're going to get a spoon. Now, the lime juice. You can use real lime, but you're going to go through a ton of them. I like this Key West lime juice. I get it in the supermarket. Tastes really good. And we're just going to fill this up. Nope. A little too much filling. Until everything gets soaked in the lime juice. And then what's going to happen, we're going to let this sit now in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes, half an hour tops, never more than a half an hour, and the ceviche will be done. So we're going to put it in the fridge, and now the magic happens. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes, so let's check the refrigerator, see what it looks like. Okay. Look at that. Fish looks beautifully cooked. So what we're going to do, we're going to drain off that lime juice. See that? Beautiful. So we're going to make it nice. Let's make a nice presentation. I kind of like a martini glass. A little restaurant touch. I'm going to serve this to guests. Why not make it look good? Finish it off. A little fresh cilantro. And there you have it. Porgy Ceviche. So let's give this a shot here. That is a taste of the Peconic Bay. Well, thanks again. If you guys interested in catching your own porgies to make the ceviche, book a charter on North Fork Adventures. Till next time, enjoy.